A very good morning to Madam Norazia. We are Group 11, consists of my member, which are Armin, Esther, Joanna, Irene, and Sonia. So today we're going to present our proposal titled Dualistic Waste Management for KNC 3453 Engineering Management. For our project, we have decided to choose SDG 12, which is Responsible Consumption and Production. The amount of waste has been steadily increasing due to the increasing of student intake and urbanization. The process of extracting resources of value from waste is generally referred to as recycling, meaning to recover and reuse the material. Waste management is one of the major environmental concerns in the world. Therefore, our group has decided to come up with dualistic waste management, which consists of recycle center and recycle truck in UNIMAS. The dualistic waste management system consists of the whole set of activities related to handling, treating, disposing, or recycling the waste material. The purpose of waste management system is to make sure that the waste material are removable from their source or location where they are generated or treated, disposed of, or recycled in a safe and proper manner. The system consists of several steps and shown and tabulated in the table below, which are production of material, collection and transport, treatment and reprocessing, and final dispose. The problem that we have found for this project is the poor waste management and facility in UNIMAS. Second, students are not segregating the garbage despite awareness campaign. Thus, to solve those problems, we come up with the aim, which is to provide a waste facility in UMass for reduce the amount of waste that is discharged into environment by reducing the amount of waste generated. To achieve our aims, therefore, we have come up with key activities, and all our objective for this project is that firstly, to provide a recycling center and a mobile recycling service and a drop-in money system. Second, to increase the efficiency of waste segregation. Thirdly, to increase awareness among students and staff in UNIMAS. Our first innovation is to provide and improve the recycling center facility in order to educate the student and staff to identify the proper way of separating recycled waste. In order to proceed with our innovation, we have decided to choose a place which is the empty site near Student Pavilion UNIMAS. The reason why we choose this empty site is that it's a very strategic place in UNIMAS. And this is our design of our recycling center. For our innovation, we have come up with two methods. The first one is students and the staff of UNIMAS can come to the center by themselves to send their waste. Our second method is that the recycling truck will go to every college to collect the waste from the student or the staff in the UNIMAS. Our recycling bin divided into 5 colors, which are blue for paper, green for glass, yellow for metal, orange for plastic, and red for e-waste. This is an inside figure of the recycling center, which is the front view is for push door for the customer to throw their recycled waste, and the back view is the back door for the staff to collect the recycled waste. This is the step and process that must be undergone by the staff of UNIMAS when they go to the recycle center. First, they have to throw their recycled waste into the push door. And then there is the first button and the second button. They have to press the first button for weight. Then the total weight, price, and point of the recycled waste will be shown in the screen of the recycle bin. And you have to press the second button to receive the receipt. Once they have received their receipt, they will have to go to counter to show their receipt to receive their money.
This is our innovation too. This innovation is to provide mobile recycling system where it is produced from the used lorry and shipping container only. Both materials we've innovated as the truck to ease the process of sorting and managing recycled waste in every college in Unimas. For this slide have shows the idea of recycling truck that our group create to use in our project management. As I mentioned in the previous slide and also shown in this diagram, only shipping container and used lorry are chosen, and these two materials will renovate become more technological and efficiency. Then, this slide will demonstrate the part of recycling truck. There are the counter for weight the waste material and claim the receipt. Beside, there's are push door where the recycled waste will throw in. Lastly, they are also have back door for staff to collect the recycled waste. This is the total price for a variety of waste products that our group intends to use as a price reference for our project.
For the key partner, we are divided into three criteria, which are the government. We choose Majlis Pembandaran Kota Semarahan (MPKS). Second criteria, academia, which is the University of Malaysia Sarawak (UNIMAS). And third one is industry, which is Trinicons.
Hello, my name is Alamin Musa, and I will continue my part, which is the key resources. Where for the key resources, we're using 4M1C, which is material, money, manpower, machine, and community. So for in part of material, where we have four different parts, which is the lorry service, cost raw material, installation costs, and electrical wiring. So this four will be mentioned out furthermore in the key in the cost structure. For the money parts, where our source of funding we get from the MPKS, which is Majlis Pembandaran Kota Semarahan. And for the manpower, this is where we organize the project and selection staff, which I will shown the later for the organizational chart part. For the machine, we're using a reusable lorry for making a recycle lorry, so which we maintain using low cost budget for making this lorry. For the community, we generate a written communication for the team to ensure they can be referred to it. And second one is to set an objective in every meeting to ensure everyone is involved, which is to increase the stakeholders' possibility into the project and its status. And lastly, giving a feedback on the issue happened during this project for able to identify what's happening in our project. For this organizational chart part, where I will show you our job position scope, where our project manager is Mr. Joss, and for the environmental health and safety manager, which Irene, Sarah, and Sonia Robin will take lead. For the human resource manager will be me, Armin Zakrin, and for the finance manager will be Joanne Emily. For the upcoming for the um, other stuff join, which is the designing and manufacturing and the engineering teams, which are taken from the mechanical teams, engineering teams, electrical teams, and civil engineering. And the other one is the installation team, which is labor worker and the driver. And the other one is the technician.
Next is the cost structure. To estimate the cost of this project, there are four factors that need to be considered, which are raw materials, operation, installation, and wiring. Due to the calculation that has been made, the total cost of this project is about 293,792 ringgit and 29 cents. This is our cost structure table. The first part is about station or innovation 1. For the station, our group member decide to do it with dimension of width time length time height, and we get the total volume of the station is 119.826 meter cubic. The area is also calculated as width time length, so we get 31.9536 meters square. The raw material will focus on the cost of operational cost of the building phase and building equipment operational costs based on the part stations. For Part A, the material like cement, sand, plaster and so on are calculated to find the price to build the station. A truck-mounted transit mixer will be rented for mixing the cement and plaster, and the cost of the rental truck is 37,133 ringgit and 84 cents. This is the continuation of cost structure table. For this part, the equipment like table, chair, toilet, and other things were calculated. Thus, the total cost for combining these two is 174,677 ringgit and 43 cents. Beside, there's the cost of installation. This section focuses on the two components, which are the ventilation system and the fire alarm system. These two systems need to install some instrumentation like sensor and controller so that they can detect any disturbance or failure occur. The total installation cost is about 4,148 ringgit and 80 cents. Wiring is the final cost component for the station building. The wiring needs about 2,752 ringgit and 80 cents for electrical installation. The below part of the table then show the cost for innovation 2, which is about the waste collector truck. The cost to do this innovation is about 75,080 ringgit and 42 cents. Therefore, the total cost of these two innovations is 273,793 ringgit and 29 cents.
The value propositions are divided into three parts, which are the environmental, economic, and social. In terms of environmental, we focus on less budget on health, aesthetic value, and rational waste management. In terms of economic is the auxiliary businesses, job creation, waste management, and energy saving. And in terms of social, we focus on improving the quality of life, which also means less pollution of environment. As for the customer relationship, we have proposed a method to engage with our customer, and in order to improve the customer's experience, every customer will receive credit points for every recyclable materials. Every 1 gram of recyclable materials will receive 1 point. Customer can redeem gift at the counter with the accumulated point.
Hi, I am Sonia Robin. My matrix number is 76877, and I am going to present what is our channels, customer segments, and our revenue streams. We plan on promoting our posters via social media platforms, especially on Instagram and Facebook. This is our poster. This poster is explaining on what and how does our product works. Thus, it will help our customer on understanding our products much better. And Facebook. As for our customer segment, our main focus are mainly towards Unima students and staff, as they are the one who are affected if this project is being implemented. Lastly, for our revenue streams, we plan on using the donors from our sponsors to fund our project. Other than that, we also fund our project from the sales of this recyclable waste. That is all from us. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.